Good morning guys. I'm in the Philippines right now. And we try to order something in TikTok. Yeah. TikTok. Dahil daw dito sa TikTok, dito sa Philippines, ay madaling mag-order. Pero it's true. Dahil in-order namin ito, I thought that is 5 days. But they arrive in 4 days from Manila to Quezon Province. So, we're gonna try this. Okay. Walang cutter, kaya ito na lang cutter. Ang kalas naman niya, o diba? Okay lang yan. Order kami nito kasi nakita namin sa TikTok na pwede siyang kung saan nito kagahi. Uy. Gahi ba kayo? Ito ay from TikTok. TikTok Philippines. I never try a TikTok. Order TikTok. Ayan. Ito na guys. Nakaka-inspire kasi yung pinapakita sa TikTok. Ito yung parang paint siya. O, 3-in-1 floor paint. Yan. So, yan. May kasama na siyang brush. Ang kulay nito ay gray. Madali lang siyang ilagay. Ganito. Ganito lang siyang ilalagay. Ginaganon-ganon lang. Ginaganon-ganon. So, ngayong araw na ito, itatry namin siya na para magpapalit kasi kami ng vinyl. Papalitan namin yung vinyl ng ganito. Kaya umorder kami sa TikTok. So, ito guys, 4 na itong in-order ko pang try. Ay, may gloves. Okay, yan. So, nagkakalaga ito guys ng 920. Ito ay COD pag in-order mo. COD means cash on delivery. Yan. So, this is the TikTok in the Philippines. From TikTok in the Philippines. Floor paint. Okay guys, later I want to show you how to do it and then what is the result. Okay, bye for now. Thank you so much.